Kyle Brutch from Adventure Designs here, and today we're going to be showing you the installation of this locking toolbox that fits right behind your OEM luggage rack. Now this box, once again, locks. It's got a rubber seal that goes all the way around it and is perfect for your toolkit, for valuables, things of that nature. We all know that the room under the seat is very limited. And when you're not running with your panniers, or if you are running with your panniers and you want a secret place to store stuff, this is a great option. We're going to show you how simple it mounts. There's a clamp that goes over the top. You're going to drill these two bottom rails so you can put screws in here and then it attaches to the front. Coming in close as we show you the installation of this locking toolbox. And there you go, it's that simple. You can install this behind the saddlebag, gearbox, toolbox, whatever you want to call it, in a matter of minutes. This legitimately quadrupled the amount of storage space if you count the tool storage space under your tank that you got. So a great way to securely store things that you don't want other people to know you're carrying with you. Thanks for watching this toolbox installation. Until next time, take care and ride safe.